All right, people, Big Ed here. Still working on the 83 Electric Glide. Um, Trying to get the front end aligned. But I had a couple people asking about the handlebars. I was kind of unsure myself if the handlebars were crooked and not the front end. So I took the handlebars off. I just got done measuring them. And it's 5 inches to the bottom of the bar right there on both sides. There's no play, so there's no wobbling or anything, so the handlebars are straight. So I'm going to keep plugging away at it, but I'm calling it a night. Peace out, people.